Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your November 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit that comes out each month, includes 4 brand new collections. In that you'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So everything that you need to create. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that are designed by our design team. So they create the layouts, they give you the cutting and assembly instructions, and then a color photograph so that you can create right along with them, and they're always amazing. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so that you can brew that up and sip on it while you create, as well as all the inspiration on the blog and on our Facebook group to inspire you to create with your kits. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these. We have fall, winter, and the sunflower market. So it's got a little bit of kitchen, farm vibe. It's awesome. So I know you're going to love this month's kit. Our first collection is from Cartabella, and this is called Sunflower Market. So it's full of sunflowers, but also a lot of kitchen theme and farm, and it's just a good homey feel, ready to document all your families. You could document recipes. I think this would be awesome to make a small little recipe book. Christmas is coming up, so that might be a great gift, is just to make a small recipe book for someone. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper starts with this one that has the sunflower and the little red flowers and then the turquoise, just beautiful. Love the colors of this collection. The back is a red gingham tablecloth print. That paper is called Sunny Sunflower. Then we have the roosters on this paper. Super pretty with the little flowers. The back is a plaid that's a green and a dark navy blue. Hopefully that shows up. This paper is called Red Rooster. Then we have the 3x4 cut aparts. So here you can kind of see the themes that they've created this around. If I have to stir it, then it's homemade. That is definitely my recipe. A messy kitchen is a happy kitchen. Family, a little bit of loud, a little bit of crazy, and a whole lot of love. Bless this kitchen. Life is short. Eat dessert first. The back is a yellow tone-on-tone print with a floral design. Get all of those awesome colors showing there. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So I always love these. It gives you lots and lots of options. We have a wide border and a medium border. This is that red tablecloth gingham, and then the sunflower print like this. Have lots of icons from the barn to the farmer's truck, canning jars, all your cooking essentials when you're in the kitchen. And then lots of things for titles. Home is where my family is at. Gather at the table and enjoy time together. Today is a good day. Kitchen is the heart of the home. So that is Sunflower Market from Cartabella. Our next collection is Echo Park Fall. So this is all about fall. Just look at those beautiful fall colors in the orange and the rusty red with those touches of green on the navy. It's just beautiful. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of blueberry cardstock. This pattern paper, which is the sunflowers with the roses. And the back is a script print. It says Happy Fall, crisp leaves, fall is in the air, and then it has the little, like the symbols for the wind blowing and the leaves. This is called Family Farm Floral. Then we have this awesome plaid in the dark orange. The back is a small floral print, has touches of that blueberry blue in there. This paper is called Patch Plaid. Then we have the 4x6 journaling card. So on the back, it's just a tone-on-tone blue with a small leaf print. And the back, of course, is the 4x4 cut aparts. So we have this one that you could cut apart and use as a title or subtitles, or you could leave it all together. Old-fashioned hayrides, fall family fun, daily, hello pumpkin, fall is in the air. Love the icons in here. Those pumpkins are just gorgeous. If you have a visit to the pumpkin farm to pick pumpkins, then this is perfect. For your embellishments, you're going to get one sheet of the 5x8 sticker sheet. So this will vary. I got the one with the different phrases and words on it. And then you're also going to receive a third a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary in the kits, but I got some banners and then some frames with the icons and the phrases. So that is Fall from Echo Park. Our next collection is Welcome Winter from Cartabella. So this is perfect to document all your winter memories, snow, or just the cold. It's just beautiful. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one that has the pine tree and the little pine cone, says Winter Wonderland. The back is a star snowflake print on the navy. That one is called Winter Wonderland. Then we have this big, bold plaid in the blue and the green and the gray. It's just gorgeous. And then we have that a little bit larger green starburst snowflake kind of look, tone on tone. That one is called Frigid Flannel. Then we have this beautiful snowflake print on the dark navy blue. The back is a wood grain. This one is called Winter Whiteout. So this is going to be a stunning collection for all your winter memories. For your embellishments, you're going to get some enamel dots, so the colors will vary. Let's see if I can get that picked up. And then you're going to get a third a pack of the tags and frames. So these will vary, but these are the ones that I got. There's some bigger ones with phrases and then ones that are actually like tag shaped, and these and some banners. So lots of options for your embellishing. So that is Welcome Winter from Cartabella. Our final collection is another beautiful fall collection. This is from Simple Stories and their Simple Vintage line. So this is called Country Harvest. I just love their vintage collections. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper that is called Just Thankful, that has the text print on the back and then all of the layered embellishments over here with the crate of pumpkins and the bumblebees. The back is this awesome large gingham in orange. This paper called Autumn Glory, which has the florals and the butterflies on that turquoise. Again, the colors are just so rich and vibrant. The back is a plaid on the diagonal in the orange with a touch of green. Then we have Happy Harvest, which is the wood grain with the text kind of stamped on the background, and another one of those clusters. This time we have the farm truck with the pumpkins in it. We have that orange doily and then some old documents tucking out from underneath. It's just beautiful. The back is a plaid in the turquoise, the brown, and bits of orange. So you can see all of the stunning colors in this collection. Perfect for all your fall and pumpkin photos. For your embellishments, you're going to receive some of the foam stickers. So they will vary among the kits. This is the one I got. So I have a couple of words, pumpkins, hearts, the butterfly, love that apple. All of the icons in these vintage series, they're so realistic. They're just gorgeous. You're also going to receive a fourth a pack of the bits and pieces. So again, these will vary among the kits, but this is a good idea. We have a little cluster with leaves and butterflies, tags, things for titles and little phrases. So lots of options for your decorating. So that is Simple Vintage Country Harvest from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit, and don't forget that we have the 3 add-ons. So if you want more cardstock, patterned paper, or embellishments, check out these videos here at the end. and you can have more added. You can also check out our Shots of Life video because it coordinates with our flavors of the month, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments that way. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.